Welcome to Math Contest Drills for Filipino Kids. Let us have grade 10 average round. In the average round, participants are allowed to use scratch paper. Each item must be answered in 30 seconds. The answer must be written on an answer sheet before the time expires. Before we continue, please subscribe for more Math Contest Drills for Filipino Kids videos. Let us begin with question number 1. Find the area of the quadrilateral with vertices at 0, 0, 7, 4, 4, 6, and 0, 5. Again, find the area of the quadrilateral with vertices at 0, 0, 7, 4, 4, 6, and 0, 5. Go! Time is up. The answer is 23 square units. Question number 2. If f of x is equal to 3 minus 2x and fg of x is equal to 1 minus 8x, what is g of negative 1? Again, if f of x is equal to 3 minus 2x and fg of x is equal to 1 minus 8x, what is g of negative 1? Go! Time is up. The answer is 9 over 5. Question number 3. Solve for x in the equation 4 raised to x minus 2 raised to x equals 12. Again, solve for x in the equation 4 raised to x minus 2 raised to x equals 12. Go! Time is up. The answer is 2. Question number 4. Give all pairs of prime numbers whose sum is 50. Again, give all pairs of prime numbers whose sum is 50. Go! Time is up. The answers 3 and 47, 7 and 43, 13 and 37, 19 and 31. Question number 5. If x squared plus y squared is equal to 4, what is the maximum value of x plus y? Again, if x squared plus y squared is equal to 4, what is the maximum value of x plus y? Go! Time is up. The answer is 2 square root of 2. This time, let us discuss the solutions to the 30-second questions. Question number 1. We are asked to find the area of a quadrilateral given the vertices. In mathopenref.com, they discuss the area of any polygon given the coordinates of the vertices. And the formula is 1/2 the absolute value of the determinants of the vertices beginning from x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2, x sub 3, y sub 3 until the last vertex x sub n, y sub n, then goes back to x sub 1, y sub 1. Getting the determinants is to find the sum of the products of the diagonals going down. That's x sub 1, y sub 2, x sub 2, y sub 3, x sub 3, y sub 4, x sub 4, y sub 1, and then minus the sum of the products going diagonal up, x sub 2, y sub 1, x sub 3, y sub 2, x sub 4, y sub 3, x sub 1, y sub 4. In our case, we arrange the vertices in clockwise rotation. So we have 0, 0, 0, 5, 4, 6, 7, 4, then goes back to x sub 1, y sub 1, that is 0, 0. So getting the 1/2 of the absolute value of the determinants of this, will have 0 times 5 plus 0 times 6 plus 4 times 4 plus 7 times 0 minus sum of the products going diagonal up, 0, 0, 4 times 5, 7 times 6, 0 times 4. And then evaluating this absolute value, will have 1/2 the absolute value of 16 minus 62, and that is equal to 46. And 46 divided by 2 is 23 square units. Question number 2. We are asked to find g of -1 given f of x and fg of x. So we start by solving for g of x. To get g of x, divide both sides by f of x. That will be fg of x over f of x. And then fg of x is 1 minus 8x. And f of x is 3 minus 2x. Since this is a rational expression in its simplest form, we substitute already -1 to x in g of x. So we have 1 minus 8 times -1 over 3 minus 2 times -1. We'll have 1 plus 8 over 3 plus 2. So g of -1 is equal to 9 over 5. Next, number 3. 4 raised to x minus 2 raised to x is equal to 12. 4 raised to x can be written as 2 raised to 2x. We can factor 2 raised to x. That will be 2 raised to x times the quantity 2 squared minus 1. 2 squared minus 1 is equal to 3. So 2 raised to x times 3 equals 12. Divide both sides by 3. We get 2 raised to x equals 4. And we know that 4 is 2 squared, therefore x is equal to 2. Next, question number 4. We solve this by listing all the pairs of prime numbers that add up to 50. We cannot get a 2 as the first prime number because it is paired with 48, which is not a prime number. So we start with 3. Then it is paired with 47. Next is 5, but 45 is not a prime number, so we have 7 paired with 43. Next to 7 is 11, but it is paired with 39, not a prime number, so we have 13. It will be paired with 37. Next to 13, we have 17, but it will be paired with 33, which is not a prime number. Then we have 19 to be paired with 31. Next to 19 is 23, paired with 27, not a prime number. Next is 29, paired with 21, not a prime number. Next is 31, we have it already, therefore the answer is complete. We have 3 and 47, 7 and 43, 13 and 37, 19 and 31. Next, question number 5. If x squared plus y squared equals 4, what is the maximum value of x plus y? We know that x squared plus y squared equals 4 is an equation of a circle with center at the origin. So if we look at the graph of the circle plotted on a rectangular coordinate system, the radius will be 2, so it will pass through the points 2, 0, 0, negative 2, negative 2, 0, and 0, 2. Therefore, we have the point xy to have the maximum value at square root of 2 is square root of 2. Therefore, the maximum value of x plus y is 2 is square root of 2. That is all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more math contest drills for Filipino kids videos.